and that is why nagotebirina umwaka uyu iguguchaka in the current ADP twarosetie plan na at least tutware budget gete yabasubati egonchukana egokora ebintu ebiga byonsi ipi byugukwanira bya sensitization and all that. As a community we have a great future in terms of women leadership.
Sure.
Ndubate forums yabasubati ndubate ekakasia ne kurukisi women caucus ndubate gusi women in leadership ndubate the queens abonsi pinichi forum as to encourage each other, as to kwanira abasubati twakwana na marawa boot leadership and basubati bande bonsi pe bakobori birugo, the ones that have come in for mentoring I have sat them down and have mentored them. I'll give an example. I think abasubati abangi a good number of them na kwane na they can attest na kwane na barabu I have encouraged them baka balitokobori birugo same. Like now we have a young girl I just met 2 weeks ago on Tebin Kubojeri Kirokio women representative.
Yeah.
Cynthia, I think Cynthia from Nyaribari. She's I think either Wabaracho Ward or Kissison. Hapa to Nyaribari.
I saw her somewhere.
Yes. She told me she's vying for women representative. And by there I had to take time to encourage her and komotebina siasa esabari ya siasa irega naiga. These are the expectations igaya no ogochia ekenekio okora and all that. So as a member of the county assembly natemire gusuguma bintu bibiri bitatu na rero igenteke nene kabisa akina sabira abantu bana bayita mabere gaki nakuona na governor kero twari gukwana
banyora mabere
ya bana be nasali konyora baramba bere gaki na raba buchechire babuchechire akega nzawaki abana wetu ba class 1 and 2 abarabuna akina barabu abayereria mabere nanchira note bagutakira umutinyo nane kubara mabere